In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best rear-view dash cams available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the rear-view dash cams mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, DDPAI Mola N3 Pro Dual Dash Cam. The DDPAI Mola N3 Pro features dual cameras for front and rear monitoring, ensuring complete road coverage. Its built-in GPS enhances the driving experience, while the 24/7 parking mode keeps your car protected even when parked. Designed with a supercapacitor, it withstands extreme temperatures for reliable performance. With a 58% discount, it's an affordable way to enhance vehicle security and driving confidence. Number 4, ARB 4K Dash Cam for Audi models. The ARB 4K Dash Cam is a premium solution for Audi models, 2013 to 2024, offering seamless integration and top-tier performance. Its 4K Ultra HD resolution captures every detail, while the f/1.6 aperture lens ensures clear night vision. The built-in G sensor detects collisions and locks footage automatically, providing valuable evidence when needed. With a 44% discount, it's an excellent upgrade for Audi owners who prioritize security and clarity. Number 3, REDTIGER F77 Dual 4K Dash Cam. The REDTIGER F77 delivers crystal clear footage with its dual 4K cameras and night vision. Its built-in 128GB eMMC storage allows seamless recording without SD card swapping. Voice control lets you operate it hands-free, while 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi ensures fast data transfers. The 4-inch touchscreen provides easy navigation. Ideal for tech-savvy drivers, this high-performance dash cam is currently available at a 59% discount, making it a great investment for road safety. Number 2, VIOFO A129 Pro Duo 4K Dash Cam. The VIOFO A129 Pro Duo is a feature-packed dash cam with 4K resolution, GPS, and Wi-Fi. Its advanced parking mode records before and after impacts for comprehensive security. Dual-band Wi-Fi ensures a stable signal and fast transfers, while loop recording prevents storage issues. The GPS logger tracks speed and location in real time. Currently 40% off, this high-quality dash cam is perfect for capturing every detail of your journey with superior clarity. Number 1, Adinakm 4CH 4K Dash Cam with Mirror Display. The Adinakm 4CH Dash Cam provides 4-way recording with a rotatable lens, offering full vehicle coverage. Its rear-view mirror display enhances reversing safety, while built-in 5G Wi-Fi allows seamless app control. The G sensor detects collisions and locks critical footage, ensuring vital evidence is preserved. With a 56% discount, this dash cam is an excellent investment for drivers looking to improve road safety and monitoring capabilities.